Now, the World Health Organization and the Niger Center for Disease Control team have commended the Ogun State government for their purposeful leadership it has brought to bear in the management of coronavirus in the state. The two developing partners gave their commendations after an on-the-spot assessment of some isolation centers and the newly installed molecular laboratory at the Olabisi Onabanjo University Teaching Hospital. Correspondent John Felix reports.
Ogun State has so far recorded 20 cases of the COVID-19 pandemic. While 6 patients have been treated and discharged, other active cases are being treated at the state isolation centers. The World Health Organization and the Nigerian Center for Disease Control are in Ogun State for an on-the-spot assessment of the preparedness and management of the coronavirus pandemic in the state. The team, led by the State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Tomi Koka, takes a tour of the facilities at the isolation center in Shagamu and Ikene and the molecular laboratory at the Olabisi Onabanjo Teaching Hospital. This was followed by a courtesy call on the governor, where they gave their submission on their findings on case management and diagnostic.
Today what we have seen is extremely amazing. We are so impressed with the effort that the state has taken to ramp up your capacities for case management, as well as lay a foundation for laboratory diagnostics. So we are very much impressed, and we'd like to congratulate you, Your Excellency, and your team that has been working very hard.
This is a well thought through operation that is coming out, and I have a feeling that way beyond COVID-19, there's a legacy already being left for the people of Ogun State, and that will serve us for many years to come. All around us, there will be risks of reimportation, the high numbers in your neighboring states, which was the only reason you were included in the number of states where the lockdown, at least from the presidential level, was included. So we know that there's no end in sight, at least for the risk of infection.
Receiving the team at his residence in Ikweru, the state governor, Dakwa Abiodun, seizes the occasion to appeal to the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 pandemic to further come to the aid of the state. The state governor, Dakwa Abiodun, reiterated the commitment of the government to reach out to about 500,000 households in the ongoing distribution of stimulus packages.
In the first instance, we provided palliatives for 60,000 households. And for us, a household is both parents and 4 or 5, dependents. So if you look at it, you're talking about maybe 6 to 7 people household. So if you multiply 60,000 by 7, that's about 300 and something thousand people. This week that will commence another 80,000. So by the end of this week, we have done 140,000 households. If you times that by 6, you can see the numbers, and we're targeting 500,000 households. DG, I again would like to pass this request through you to the President Task Force. Please come to our aid.
It is hoped that this validation by these two developing partners will further spur the government to do more for our citizenry. John Felix, Galaxy News, Ikweru, Ogun State.